Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Syncthing on Debian 12. First, run the following command to update your Debian package index and install some basic dependencies. To allow the system to check the package's authenticity, you need to provide the release key. The stable channel is updated with stable release builds, usually every first Tuesday of the month. The candidate channel is updated with release candidate builds, usually every second Tuesday of the month. These predate the corresponding stable builds by about 3 weeks. Now, run the following commands. After the installation is finished, check the Syncthing binary file and check its version with the following commands. As you can see, Syncthing is installed. After you've installed Syncthing, you'll be able to install uncomplicated firewall, UFW, open ports for OpenSSH and Syncthing services, and then start and enable UFW on your Debian servers. Install the UFW package using the apt command. Run the following command to enable the OpenSSH profile and activate UFW. Enter Y to confirm, and you'll see the output firewall is running and enabled on system startup when UFW is running and enabled. Next, run the following command to enable the Syncthing and Syncthing GUI profiles. Lastly, check the UFW status by running the following command. In this section, you'll configure Syncthing by starting the Syncthing service for your user and setting up the local IP address for the Syncthing web dashboard. In this case, we'll use the user green for the GreenCloud server and the user greens for the GreenCloud 1 server. After that, log into your users for each server, then start, enable, and verify the Syncthing service. Next, open the Syncthing configuration file. Then, edit the following section. When you're finished, save the file and exit the editor. After that, run the following command to restart the Syncthing service. At this point, your Syncthing is running with the web administration dashboard enabled. For now, we'll set up user authentication for both Syncthing GreenCloud and GreenCloud 1. Open your web browser and access the following URL. Ensure that you change the IP address to the IP address of your Debian servers. Now, you'll see the Syncthing administration dashboard. Click the Settings button to set up your username and password for Syncthing. On the GUI section, enter your username and password, and then click Save to confirm. Next, we'll be redirected to the Syncthing login page. Enter your username and password to log in. If successful, you'll see the following Syncthing dashboard. Now that we've secured Syncthing user and password authentication, let's connect Syncthing on the GreenCloud 1 server to the GreenCloud. On the GreenCloud 1 server, select Action and click Show ID to display the server ID or identity. This will show you a QR code of the GreenCloud 1 server, and you can copy the device ID. Continue to click on the Copy button. Now, move to the GreenCloud dashboard and click the Add Remote Device on the Remote Devices section. On the pop-up window, paste the GreenCloud 1 device ID and click Save. Next, move to the GreenCloud 1 dashboard, and you'll see the following configuration. Click on the Add Device to confirm and connect the GreenCloud 1 server to the GreenCloud. If everything goes well, you can see the GreenCloud 1 server is connected from the GreenCloud dashboard. With the GreenCloud and GreenCloud 1 servers connected, you can now set up a shared directory and synchronize files between those two servers. Make you on the GreenCloud dashboard, then on the folder section, you'll see the default folder with the status unshared. Click on the Edit button to share this folder. On the Sharing tab, click the GreenCloud 1 to share and synchronize this folder with the GreenCloud 1 server. On the File Versioning tab, select the file versioning method as needed. Then, click Save to confirm. Now move to the GreenCloud 1 dashboard, and you'll see the following notification. Click Add to confirm and share the folder. If folder sharing is successful, you'll see the default folder with the status shared. In the following, the GreenCloud server is shared with the GreenCloud 1 server.